So do you want to find out how to come up with endless video ideas? Well, in today's video, we're going to go over 5 different ways I personally use to come up with endless ideas. Make sure to watch the entire video because I have a bonus tip for you. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. So today we're gonna go over my 5 top ways to get content for my YouTube channel. I hope that you get a lot of value out of it. So this is 5 ways to come up with endless YouTube video ideas. And the first one is actually kind of like the most obvious thing, but it's the most overlooked. And that's just the YouTube search feature. So if you go to the YouTube search feature, you'll see that you could type in anything like hello, and stuff starts to pop up. So you could think of like a keyword. I mean, you can just go by what I'm making this video about, how to come up with endless YouTube video ideas. So come up with video ideas. How about that? So now you can see that there's several different suggestions that have come up. So coming up with video ideas, coming up with YouTube video ideas. And then a good rule of thumb is that you could put A, now you can see what the next, then B, and just cycle through that until you find those keywords that it's going to suggest. Now, not every single keyword is going to be great, so you might need to tweak your original keyword phrase, but then you see E. And then also another little trick is if you go to the beginning or the end and you do a underscore or a dash. So as you can see right here, I only put in come up with video ideas, but it added how to come up with video ideas. And then that's the most common one. So if there's other ones that are common or suggested by YouTube, by putting this underscore, or you could also put a dash before your search term, it will give you what you might want to add before the search term. So this is really powerful, and it's actually, I'd say it's one of the most powerful parts of YouTube, doing your SEO for YouTube, more because YouTube is telling you internally what people are searching for. A second great way to get YouTube video ideas is just to ask your viewers a question. Ask them what they want videos made about. It's as simple as that. And if you're looking to guarantee that you're going to get views, and they're asking you to make a video and you make it, they're far more likely to watch it. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you have any requests for videos, make sure that you let me know in the comments. I'm here to serve you, and I want to make sure that I'm making videos on subjects that you want to learn about. So a third great place to get video ideas for your YouTube channel is just Facebook groups and profiles. And it doesn't necessarily even have to be your own post. So you can go to Facebook and ask a question on your profile or even in a group. It doesn't even have to be your group. Just ask, hey, what have you been struggling with? And a lot of people will reply and give you ideas. Say you want to make a top 5 video. Ask people what's your top pick of something, and then the most 5 common replies of the same thing, make a video on those 5 subjects. So it's that simple. Like I said, it doesn't even have to be your post. You can go and find somebody else's post and save their answers from that post and put it into your video. As long as you're providing value, it does not matter where the information came from. So a fourth great place to get endless YouTube video ideas is by doing polls and surveys through different things like Facebook, YouTube, or your email list, or whatever other resources you have. So Facebook, you could post in any of your groups and just do a poll and just ask for people's opinions, and then you'll find out what you should be focusing on to make your videos. YouTube, you actually have to wait until you have 1,000 subscribers, and then you can do polls through your community tab. And for email, just ask your list what they want you to make videos about. And another thing, if you tell them to reply to your email, it actually improves the deliverability of your emails to everyone. So any different type of social media site that you can reach out to your followers in your community is a great option to get video ideas. So for my 5th suggestion on how to get endless YouTube video ideas, it's just think about what you're already consuming. What videos are you consuming? What articles are you consuming? And that could be through YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, a course that you're taking, a mastermind, what podcasts you're listening to. Take the information that you're consuming from those things, an ebook, a actual book, some personal development, whatever it is that you are currently consuming. Don't just passively consume it. Actually take it, write it down, take notes, and figure out how you could repackage that into your own video. For instance, you could even take a book and each chapter could be a video. So if you have a 10 chapter book with each chapter is based on a different subject, you technically could just make a video based off one chapter and a video based off another chapter. You don't have to say it's from that book, but the information is basically structured, already laid out for you by the author. So don't overthink it. There's so much value and information out there that you could find it anywhere you look. Now this is one little bonus tip, and it doesn't have to be like a physical notebook, or it could be digital in your phone, whatever makes it most powerful for you, but make sure that you're keeping an idea notebook. And the reason why this is very important is because I'm sure I'm not the only one where I've had a great idea and then, I'm running around and I don't write it down, and then later that day I think, oh man, that was a really good idea, I wish that I wrote it down, and then I lose it. And then maybe I'll think of it again, but maybe I won't. But if I think of something, I write it down. I think of something, I write it down. And then you're guaranteed, and you're just have a notebook full of ideas. So that's my number one recommendation, just to make sure that you're writing every idea down, and then you'll never run out of content. I hope this video has helped you come up with ways to get content for your YouTube channel, or really any other video content you're creating. If you like this video, your next stop should be my YouTube growth playlist. I'll put a link to it in the description. So what methods do you use to come up with endless YouTube video ideas? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.